You've got NCC, which came out with its numbers. Operationally, there's been pressure this quarter that NCC has actually faced. So let's welcome on board Mr. Murthy, EVP Finance at NCC, joining in on the show right now. Mr. Murthy, good afternoon. Good to have you on the show. Well, clearly in terms of your EBITDA margins, PAT, sales, we've seen pressure on a year-on-year basis. But from last quarter to now, how have things changed for you?
Actually, things have improved compared to last quarter. If you see the top line and if you see the bottom line also, for example, compared to first quarter, second quarter we have reported improvement in turnover and profits. Second quarter the turnover has gone up by 30% compared to first quarter. Likewise, compared to second quarter, in the third quarter, the turnover has gone up by about 24%, and also PAT has gone up by about 20%. So, in fact, that is an indication how the Indian economy is also improving, the V-shaped recovery and all that. So, nothing to worry as far as we are concerned, and good improvement is there. We are on track. The execution also improved nicely to more than 90% of pre-COVID levels, and fourth quarter should be better than the third quarter. As you know, FY21 is a washout year for all of us, for all the economies across the globe. The Indian economy itself is likely to shrink by about 7.7%. That is what is likely to happen for us also, despite having a good order book and all that, but see the progress. It is understandable. Some stress is there, but the execution also has picked up compared to previous quarters. As far as EBITDA is concerned, on a standalone basis, our third quarter EBITDA is 12.47 current year, that is December 20, as compared to 11.81 in the third quarter of the previous year. So EBITDA, operating EBITDA we call it, it is quite reasonable, and in fact some improvement is there. That is likely to continue. PAT margins are stressed mainly because of the low turnovers and other admin costs and finance costs cannot be fully absorbed. But that is also going to improve.
Okay. What can you tell me about order book status as of now? Whether new orders are beginning to kick in and what's really happening on the execution front? Yeah,
absolutely. See, in fact, that is a silver lining. Order accretion has been pretty strong in the current year. In the third quarter itself, we bagged about 11,861 crores of orders, and in the first 9 months of the current year, up to December, we bagged about 20,000 crores of orders against our guidance of about 10,000 crores. We crossed the guidance long ago, and further order acquisition is also likely to happen. So, as far as the order book is concerned, we are comfortably placed at 39,182 crores of orders at the end of December quarter, and in the fourth quarter also some more orders are expected. For example, in the month of January, we received about 1,200 crores of orders. So that is pretty strong, and that is also clearly understandable because the government of the day is very keen on developing physical infrastructure. They are planning to speed up NIP, National Infrastructure Pipeline projects. National Highway Authority of India also has tendered nearly 7,200 kilometers of road projects up to December. Some more are expected in the fourth quarter. All these are very positive macroeconomic indicators. Going forward, strong order books are possible, and companies where they have got strong execution capabilities will be able to come out with good turnovers and good profits.
Right. Hi, Mr. Murthy. This is Mubina as well joining in. I just want to understand that, what sort of acceleration in terms of execution are you witnessing now? And have all those lockdown-related difficulties now been put behind you? How smoothly is execution being able to take place now?
Absolutely. You see, first quarter was a washout because of the lockdown and all that. We all know that. And we were reporting execution levels of 35 to 40%. By the end of second quarter, we reached the level of 60 to 65% pre-COVID level execution. And now we are already above 90%. We are almost back to normal as far as execution is concerned. And this momentum is likely to continue. And we are doing some of the marquee projects, some of the very important projects like airports at Lucknow and Patna for Airport Authority of India, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, 4 medical campuses. Each project size is about 1,000 crores. We are doing some defense projects where payment cycles are good. And also we are doing the Nagpur-Mumbai Expressway, where we got the biggest package of 2,850 crores, and the project is under the faster execution. So all these things give us the confidence that we are back to normal. And also, as I was mentioning, order book also is increasing nicely, and that should be giving us the enough headroom to come out with better results in FY22.
Okay. Mr. Murthy, on that positive note, thank you so much for taking the time out. We'll let you go on that note.
Thank you.